Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Welcome boys and girls to my channel. My name is Dylan Gaming. This is my first video on my channel, only on my channel. And yeah, you can share with your friends, family, on Facebook, Twitter, on Instagram. You can talk to them and say that they like my videos. And I want to be famous on YouTube. And I wonder why. That guy is not good, but my friend is a little bit famous, not too much, but a little bit. And this is my test video, my first video, test video. And coming more is a good one. Then maybe I play a game with him. I can ask him tomorrow. I see if he want to play a game. So not I want to play alone. Just hope you like it. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye.
Bye niggas. Like it niggas.